In this video, Ukrainian soldiers are seen advancing through a forested, hilly area toward a Russian position as part of an operation. While moving along the slope, they are detected by a Russian FPV drone. The drone tracks the group and engages one of the soldiers during the advance, disrupting the movement. In the forested area, another Ukrainian soldier was engaged by a Russian drone. The soldier appeared to signal toward the aircraft in an attempt to deter it, but the drone maintained its course and proceeded to engage the position. Northern paratroopers disabled a truck transporting Ukrainian armed forces personnel near Nikolaevka. Reconnaissance units from the 51st Regiment observed and assessed the reaction of a Ukrainian soldier positioned in the rear of the vehicle. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Ukrainian infantry took cover under a container in the Kupiansk area. A Russian drone detected their position and struck, demonstrating the range and precision of modern drones. The footage highlights the challenges infantry face in exposed urban environments. Neutralization of an enemy position in a basement by FPV drone operators of the 144th Division in the Krasnoarmysk direction. In this footage, Ukrainian soldiers are seen advancing on a mission when a Russian drone unexpectedly approaches from the rear. The drone engages the formation, striking one of the soldiers and forcing the unit to halt their advance. Operations conducted by the 6th Army continue in the Kupiansk area, where UAV operators are actively searching for dispersed Kiev Forces personnel on the outskirts of the city. On a daily basis, drone reconnaissance identifies isolated or repositioning units operating without effective cover or coordination. Once detected, these positions are tracked in real time and engaged through coordinated drone strikes. Intense footage from Krasny Lyman shows the 25th Army of Group West targeting Russian troops and positions with coordinated drone and artillery strikes, exposing enemy vulnerabilities under constant aerial surveillance. In the Lyman direction, fiber-optic FPV drone crews from the 37th Motorized Rifle Regiment conducted a planned ambush operation against enemy transport. Using concealed launch positions and stable fiber-optic control, the drones tracked vehicle movement along key routes. The operation resulted in accurate strikes against a minibus and an SUV used for military transport, disrupting mobility and logistical activity in the area. The engagement highlights the growing use of fiber-optic FPV systems for stealthy, resilient drone operations, allowing precise timing and control even in environments with heavy electronic countermeasures. A Lancet loitering munition engaged enemy supply vehicles near the village of Kosovibo in Zaporizhia Oblast. In the footage, a Ukrainian supply vehicle is seen stopping in a snow-covered area as personnel approach it. Moments later, the Russian Lancet loitering munition strikes the vehicle, rendering it inoperable and disrupting the supply operation. UAV operators assigned to the 38th Guards Motor Rifle Regiment of the 35th Eastern Army documented the detention of a group of soldiers in a fortified structure near the village of Gaul. Viewers are invited to share their perspectives in the comments and follow the channel for further updates. Drone operators assigned to the 14th Special Forces Brigade destroyed 2 armed vehicles near the village of Prylai, in the direction of Juli. Footage from operations conducted by the Russian Aerospace Forces and FPV drone operators of the Siberian unit shows coordinated strikes against enemy shelters and troop concentrations. During the engagement, multiple strategic targets were successfully neutralized. An automated platform was hit, disrupting the enemy's logistical or operational capabilities. A communications antenna was engaged, affecting the adversary's ability to coordinate forces effectively. A fortified strongpoint was destroyed, removing a key defensive position. In addition, 3 temporary deployment points were targeted and neutralized, limiting the enemy's ability to regroup or reinforce positions in the area. Krasnoarmysk direction. An HMMWV equipped with an electronic warfare system was neutralized. The soldiers inside the vehicle spotted the FPV drone too late, and some exited after it was too late. The high-speed FPV drone struck the armored vehicle, causing it to catch fire. Zaporizhia region, Primorsky settlement. Ukrainian armed forces have been operating in civilian clothing in attempts to approach Russian positions. This tactic appears to be largely ineffective. 2025 Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operators from the Vostok Group of the 38th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade struck enemy infantry near Zelensko, disrupting positions and movement with precision tactical effect. New footage from the Kupiansk front shows the 352nd Regiment actively engaging and eliminating Kiev Forces infantry and equipment in a series of coordinated operations. The video captures the regiment moving through contested terrain, combining direct fire, reconnaissance, and drone support to identify enemy positions and strike them with precision. Kiev forces are seen attempting to maneuver through open areas and along supply routes, but the regiment's forward elements quickly detect these movements and engage using both small arms and heavier weaponry. Armored vehicles and transport trucks are systematically targeted, while infantry attempting to advance or seek cover are neutralized through coordinated fire. The footage also highlights the use of drones to maintain continuous observation, enabling the regiment to react instantly to enemy maneuvers and prevent regrouping or counterattacks. This engagement underscores the effectiveness of the 352nd Regiment in controlling key sectors near Kupiansk, disrupting enemy logistics, and limiting Kiev Forces' ability to sustain operations in the area. The combination of ground units and unmanned systems demonstrates how modern battlefield tactics allow forces to dominate contested areas while minimizing exposure to counterattacks. Overall, the footage provides a detailed view of intense frontline combat, showcasing both tactical proficiency and the harsh realities of engagements in this sector of the conflict. The Rubicon team has released a comprehensive video compilation covering frontline operations in Donbass, Sumy Oblast, and Krasny Lyman for January 27, 2026, providing a detailed overview of Ukrainian combat activity across multiple sectors. The footage spans several minutes and showcases a variety of engagements, highlighting the coordination between drones, artillery, mechanized units, and infantry forces. In Donbass, the compilation captures precision strikes on enemy manpower and equipment, with FPV drones providing real-time reconnaissance and targeting support. Armored vehicles, transport trucks, and fortified positions are methodically engaged, demonstrating the integration of unmanned systems into broader tactical operations. Infantry units are shown advancing while using drone surveillance to maintain situational awareness, allowing them to anticipate and counter enemy movements effectively. Footage from Sumy Oblast emphasizes the disruption of enemy supply lines and logistical positions. Drones monitor and track Russian vehicles and positions, guiding artillery and missile strikes to disable key assets and impede the enemy's ability to reinforce forward units. The use of both fiber-optic FPV drones and larger strike UAVs illustrates the layered approach to modern battlefield operations, where rapid intelligence and precision engagement are critical for maintaining control of contested areas. In Krasny Lyman, the compilation highlights close-quarters engagements and strikes on enemy fortifications, showcasing Ukrainian forces' ability to dominate both urban and forested terrain. Infantry, mechanized units, and unmanned systems work in concert to neutralize enemy positions, suppress fire, and maintain pressure along critical sectors. The video also emphasizes the effectiveness of coordinated drone operations, allowing Ukrainian forces to identify, track, and engage multiple targets while minimizing exposure to counterattacks. Overall, the Rubicon team's compilation for January 27, 2026 provides a thorough look at the intensity and complexity of ongoing operations. It underscores the growing role of unmanned systems in modern warfare, the importance of combined arms coordination, and the capability of Ukrainian forces to maintain tactical and operational superiority across multiple fronts. The footage offers both a detailed tactical perspective and a broader view of how sustained pressure and precise engagements shape the dynamics of the conflict.